Hello friends, my name is Alias Nayan and today I am going to talk about child labor in Pakistan. So friends, child labor is a common thing in the countries which are not well developed. Friends, in Pakistan, child labor is very popular. The children are rendered to cheap labor in factories, shops and business centers. They are employed in filling stations, bakeries, hotels, and offices of different firms. Child labor is available in all developing and poor countries. Friends, in Pakistan, the population is on increase. The poverty is also on increasing. The poverty hunts one home or other. The poor parents cannot afford to send their children to school. The education is very expensive in our country. So to meet their daily expenses of life, parents send their children to make money. In this way, they add to their income. Friends, in villages, the feudal landlords employ children for the cultivation of the fields and the marketing of their production. They are focused to work in the field. They pay to these children very meager amount of wages. If the children do not cooperate, their parents are beaten and punished by the landlords. Friends, children are maltreated by the employers. They are insulted and abused if they are become bit careless in their work. They are given very low wages. They are kept hungry. They are made to work from morning till night. There is a law against the child labor, but it does not operate practically. The Labor Department is bribed to remain silent about the painful conditions of children. The children are bound to suffer. Friends, if we want to make an end of poverty or child labor, we should act upon the following steps. First of all, the large-scale social and economic reforms take effect in our country. Without improving the economic conditions, we can't make an end of poverty. The economic conditions of poor people must be made better. Friends, the parents do not send their children to school for the fear of starvation. If the economic conditions are better, they will send their children to their school. Second thing is that feudal system must be abolished. If it happens, the landlords will not employ children to work in their fields. The third step is that the government should make a law for the universal education of everybody. The parents who do not send their children to school must be fined and punished. However, parents are given ample resources to lead a good life. Without improving the economic conditions, the poverty cannot be ended. And to improve their economic conditions, the parents will continue to send their children to factories, shops, and business centers. That's all. Thank you so much.